Here is the Roomba. Undocks itself, does a little calibration, gets to work. You can see it goes from hardwood to carpet, and it's just cruising around. It sort of remembers what it's doing, so it hits a wall, gets in the corner, dust bunnies. See you later. See, and it goes around the perimeter. I don't know what else it does. Look, it's going under the chair. See, it's in a really tight corner there. You know, now it's going into the radiator. Oh, that's where the scratches from this came from. The other radiator down the way. Oh, knocked over the fishing club. You know, hardwood to carpeting. Here, I'll show you. Oh, look at. Is it going to go under the couch? No. It's going crazy. I don't know if you can see it, but it has these little sweepers that gets like dust bunnies and sweeps it right in. And there it is under the chair again. You can barely see it because it's dark, but you get the drift. The cat is very interested in this thing. Yay, the Roomba. You can schedule it so it goes during the day when you're not around. You can hear it's kind of loud. Like, you don't want it to be going while you're watching TV or anything like that. But it basically just makes a map of your room and just goes, and when it's going to run out of power, it goes back to the home base. I charged it overnight, so it should have a good charge, but that's the Roomba.